This video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a collapsible cot, maybe like a traveling cot. And you know what? I took it out of the box here. You can see how it's labeled on the front there. Kind of a cool name that kind of makes it HITORHIKE. Maybe is how you would say that. And really nice looking bag, everybody. This is a ripstop nylon bag. You can see the patterns on it right there. There's a little tab right here for probably carrying it. You got the leg pieces here. Some poles. Actually, let's just dump it out here, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this thing together. The two crossbars that go down the side, and then you got 3 legs, so the legs are going to fold out, pull out like that, and go down. This thing is super simple to put together. Let me show you real quick on how quickly you can get this thing put together. So let's do that now. You're going to get these pieces like this. You're going to put those together. I like how they have this kind of like a tent, kind of like putting together a thing on a tent. You see how that worked? That worked really good on that. And you see these things, see how these little legs pull out like that? You're going to pull these little legs out, open this up, that locks in there like that. That one locks in there like that. And then to put the legs in, you're just going to screw them in like that. And you see how they lock into place. Let me go ahead and run these poles through the fabric and we'll come back. So you're going to run these side poles down inside of here through this corner right here, and they give you a little pull tab. Just pull on that, and now that side tab, the sidebar is locked into place. So that's all good to go. Let me do the other side. And then you have a trigger mechanism right here, which I really like how that works. You put this one in, and then you lock that one, and then it goes into place and it locks down like that. So let me do that now. So I just noticed something that I did wrong. You see how it has a curve there? Watch this, everybody. The curve is supposed to be like that. So the arch is going up and it helps spread it out. That's why that one went on tight and this one went on loose. So you're going to put these things together really quickly. Make sure you have that arch going upwards, and then you have the button there, and then it's a lever that pulls in. I really liked how easy this thing was, and I laid in it, and this thing is perfect. It felt really good. I was able to turn sideways. I was able to kind of bounce around a little bit. There's a pocket on the side for your cell phone or random stuff if you want to charge your phone or something like that. I will be using this while I'm camping, and just kind of like going over some of the features of this thing. It's 420 Oxford cloth. It looks like it's got a ripstop nylon on it too, the little square patterns in it. It's breathable, it's easy to carry, holds up to 330 pounds, and there's 2 different styles. You can use it with the legs or without the legs. And I'll throw the specs of the overall length and height and all that up on the screen now to kind of like show you exactly, because I don't see it on the box here. I don't see it on the instructions actually how high it is. So you can see how it's flat, and you could take these legs off and then use it as a low cot. So yeah, there it is in the low position there. Everybody, I think this is a great cot for anyone that's going to be doing some camping, or they just needed an extra bed if maybe they have visitors over or something like that. But I was very impressed on how easily that thing was to set up and tear down. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody. See you on the next video.